Next dozen or so years, the marketplace acceptance of the valve for all of its benefits really started to take off. So the growth was pretty significant.
Marketplace acceptance fueled the company's growth, and by 1971, the Franklin Park plant was in full swing. With an emphasis on design, the company continues to be a vanguard for water conservation, helping to reduce a one-time industry standard of 6 gallons of water per flush.
Well, in the commercial space that we deal with here at Sloan Valve Company, that average continues to drop. Back in the 80s, it was 3.5 gallons per flush on a toilet. It graduated down to 1.6, and now I'd say the norm is becoming 1.28 gallons per flush.
The original flush valves were in the realm of 6 gallons per flush. And there's been increasing focus on reducing those, and Sloan has always been a leader in that. So going from down to 3.5 gallons per flush, then in the early 90s, 1.6 gallons per flush. In fact, we have products now that deliver a precise controlled meter amount down to 1.1 gallons per flush, and even lower in some of our other applications. So it's very important from a water conservation standpoint. But the trick is that you've got to control the water with much more precision, which really puts a heavy emphasis on your design and your process, and thereby your manufacturing.
With a fourth generation at the helm, continued control of the design, engineering, and manufacturing process has led to a number of innovations in commercial plumbing.
One of the things that we're excited about at Sloan is the introduction of our reclaimed water valve. When you think about it, why are we using potable drinking water to flush toilets? So one of the things that's happening, particularly out in California where they have real drought issues, is they've gone to using reclaimed water, which historically has been used for irrigation, but it's a harsh environment for flush valves. So there's a lot of chlorine and difficult corrosive elements that are in that reclaimed water. So we've designed a flushometer that can stand up to those harsh conditions.